Now, if you want to convert any PDF document to Microsoft Word document without using any software, I'm going to show you how to do it very simple. So just launch your Microsoft Office Word application. Now, this is my PDF file. Now, let's check it out here first. So we're going to convert this PDF file into Microsoft Word document. So you can simply drag the PDF document into Microsoft Word application. So when you drag it there, it will ask you now you want to convert this PDF to a Word editable document. So just hit on the OK. So the moment you drag it here into the Word application, now you can realize that our PDF file has been converted into Microsoft Word. Now it becomes more editable. You can change any information that you want to change on the PDF file. So that's very simple of how you can convert any PDF file to Microsoft Word document. Now, if you want to save it back, maybe you have made changes and you want to save it back as a PDF file, you can simply go to the file and then you come to the save as. Now, when you come to the save as, choose where you want to save it. Now, make sure that you change this to PDF. So you can save it back to PDF again if you really want it that way. Another way that you can also open a PDF file is just by going to the file and then you come to the open. Now you browse from where you have the PDF file and then automatically you can select it and then you open it. That one, you can also click on OK and then it will convert that one also into a Word document. Now, if this video had been very helpful to you, please give it a thumb up and don't forget to share this video to help others. Now, see you in the next video. Bye bye.